Hello everyone, today we have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC, all-wheel drive, with clean title. It has a V6, running smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a tour. Let's have alloy wheels and a sunroof. Dual exhaust. Let's have a black leather interior with pinhole leather seats. And give you a shot of that VIN right there. And it does have Harman Kardon speakers, driver presets, and your seat adjustments right there. So we look up here, you're going to see that it has 68,639 miles on this vehicle. You have your voice command, push to talk. You've also got your trip computer toggle right there, your lights. Okay, as you come over here, your stereo, you can control that either here or with the mouse. And it will connect to your phone. So it's ready for a Bluetooth connection. Okay, so you keep coming down here, you see that it also has CD, so you'll know that it has AM, FM, and CD. All right, as we continue to come down, you see that you do have comfort controls down here, your shifter, your cup holders, and your other compartment. And then your glove compartment right there. When you come up above, you're going to have your map reading lights, your controls for your dome, and then also your sunroof. So that about wraps it up. Oh, it is navigation ready. So that about wraps it up for this Mercedes on the inside. As I mentioned, it does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.